Hey, it's Hong here with another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you something I learned. The other day, I was watching some of my coach's videos and he talked about how make money online really works. And I got so much value out of his videos and he really helped me understand the big picture on how this whole make money online thing work. So I just want to share this information with you guys and hopefully you find it beneficial. Now, I know there's a lot of information out there on the internet that talks about how to make money online, and sometimes it can be so overwhelming and confusing with so much information, and sometimes the information is misleading and also inaccurate. And I want to be clear with you guys that there is no such thing as easy money or get rich quick schemes that sound too good to be true. Chances are it probably is, and it's best that you stay away. And if you want something to work, you have to put in the effort, you have to work, right? And you can't simply just like not do anything and expect big return for a small amount of effort. It simply just doesn't work that way. So my coach, he will talk about the basics on what you need to start making money online. Now everyone that is making money online follows the exact same process that he's going to be sharing. Now there are 4 things that you will need when it comes to making money online, and this video will specifically focus on the first thing you need, and that first thing is a quality value exchange between you and those you want to serve. Now without further ado, I am going to show you that video.
Hey, this is Coach Larry Beecham, and today launches a 4-part series that teaches you the basics of what you need in order to start making money online today. Most people who attempt to make money online have several gaps in their process that just are blind spots. Today's video and the series to follow is going to help you fill all the gaps and lead you straight to the path of cash. Trust me, everybody that's making money online follows this process, whether they're doing free content or even paying for advertising. This blueprint is the secret to your own financial success. So let's jump into this thing. There's 4 distinct parts to the process for you to start making money. Now, these are the 4 components to you being able to make money online. Today, we're going to focus on number 1, and that is the value exchange. So the value exchange, explained and understood, is what's going to help you break down the details of how to start making money. So let's talk about the value exchange. First of all, as a business owner, you have to ask yourself, who is it that you want to serve? Okay? Now, when you think about who that is, that person is going to have something that needs attention. Now, this box represents the thing that they're carrying around in their mind, in their heart, in their life that needs something. Okay, so let's say they're carrying around something that's broken. So imagine somebody carrying a box, and in that box is something broken. Okay? You are over here. Okay? And you also have a box, and in that box you have a fix. So, for example, let's say that this person is a first-time fisher person. Okay? In other words, they're an amateur fisherman, and you happen to have a fishing business, right? So this person has something they're carrying around that's broken. Now, what would that be? Let's say it's bait. Maybe they don't know how to select the bait, and that's what's in their box. That's what's broken. You know exactly how to fix that problem. So what happens is this. There's an exchange. Okay? That exchange taking place is how you begin to do what we call the value exchange. So everybody's walking around with the following questions in their mind. So if you can appreciate that everybody's walking around with a box that has these statements or questions in them, whoever it is you're out here to serve is how you start to basically exchange value. Now, once that person has their fix, you have now started the process of putting a smile on their face, right? So now, because you've given them a fix, the next step is for you to invite that person to get more of the same thing from you. And in our next video, we're going to talk about that. But how do you deliver all of this here? Well, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can do that in a video. If this person needs some information on bait, maybe you have a bait video. The video is a demonstration, right? It could be an audio. It can be a download of a PDF document. It can be a whole book. It can be a phone call where you coach them. It could be a webinar. Okay, it could be any number of things. It can be all of these things. It depends on how you decide to do it. But the point I'm trying to make is you want to figure out how you want to help the market you serve by recognizing that they carry around boxes of things that need fixing, and you carry around the fix with you, so you make that exchange. Make sense? Now, in our next video, we're going to talk about the next step. Once a person gets that fix from you, what should you do with that person? Well, we call that list building. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to start building your list of people just like this, headed towards the money. Thanks for listening. In the meantime, until we have our next class, I want to encourage you to go out to get this book here. Somewhere on this page, you can find an image or a link that you can get a copy of this book, and it's going to help you understand principles just like this and much, much more. Make sure that you like, share, and comment all about this content, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Go forth in victory. Talk to you soon.
I hope you guys got value out of this video, and if you like what I've been sharing so far on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will be posting the second video of the series in the next couple of days, so don't forget to watch out for that video. And if you guys have any question, please leave me a comment or connect with me on Facebook, and then I will do my best to answer your questions. I will put my Facebook link and my website link in the description box below, so feel free to check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.